Blessings, everyone. Let's make the perfect comfort food, shepherd's pie. Let's begin by browning our beef. After a couple of minutes, go ahead and add your onion and let this brown really well. Go ahead and warm up your broth in Worcestershire sauce because you don't want this to be cold when you add it. Once your meat is really brown, go ahead and reduce the heat to a medium, and let's add our butter to melt. Now slowly add your broth, better than bouillon, and Worcestershire mixture to your brazier or skillet. Just stir everything. And the edges are simmering, but the center isn't. So we want to bring the whole mixture to a gentle simmer. Okay, now we want to add our potato flake 1/4 cup at a time until you get it to the consistency that you want it. I've got the measurement here at 1 to 2 cups of potato flake. I just put 1/4 in, and as you can see, that's nowhere near thick enough because we want this to be pretty thick. So I'm going to add another 1/4 cup, which means I now have a 1/2 cup. And then, like I said, I'm going to keep going until it's like a stew consistency. Now that your meat mixture has simmered for about 3 to 5 minutes, let's go ahead, and you can see how thick this is. It's just lovely. Let's go ahead and fold in our green beans and our mushrooms. All right, now let's add our mashed potato topping. I'm just going to go ahead and first just put some big scoops on here. I made this before. And then we're going to spread it out. Now let's go ahead and top with our cheese. We're using Dubliner today. We had some from Costco. We just absolutely love this cheese. It's not quite aged as long as some sharper cheddars, but this is just an amazing cheese, and I think that it'll work really well. But you can use whatever kind of cheese you want. Right now, I am also going to suggest at this point that you definitely put this on a parchment lined cookie sheet because it may go over a little bit. It's pretty bountiful. So go ahead and place this in your 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is just how you like it. This came out absolutely perfect. It's still bubbly right now, so I will definitely let it rest anywhere between about 7, even up to 15 minutes. You'll have to determine yours when it stops bubbling and you can pull it out, but you don't want it to get cold.